Grow your cleaning business. Make more money. Have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Profit Cleaners Podcast. I am Brandon Shane, your host, and guys, today I just have a quick special episode. As we all know, it is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. Just wanted to express my gratitude for all of you and just say thank you guys for the opportunity to be working together, growing your businesses, and doubling down on knowledge and learning together. A rising tide raises all ships. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to share with you guys how grateful we are, Brandon Condry and myself. I'm recording this on Thanksgiving, but I was just thinking of you guys, wanted to share this out. So if you're listening to this, even on or after Thanksgiving, reflecting on what you're thankful for, grateful for, just remember that we are so grateful for you and so grateful for the opportunity. And I'm actually going to share a very special offer for you guys on this episode. We do this once a year, and I wanted to just share this out. So stay tuned till the end of this episode. I'm going to share that in a few minutes with you guys, but just an opportunity, an incredible deal, the best offer we've offered all year. And I know it's going to make you wealthy and it's going to change your life. So stay tuned for that for just a second. But real quick, guys, I just wanted to dive in to something I think is really important as you guys are growing your businesses. And right now is an incredible time as you're reflecting on the year, reflecting on what you're going to be doing in the coming year. It's that time of year when everybody kind of slows down. And we talked about this last year, so I might sound like a broken record, but this is the opportunity, guys, to do what other people are unwilling to do. When you do the things that people are unwilling to do right now, you can have an extraordinary life tomorrow because you're putting in the hard work now and you're doing the hard things that most people aren't going to do. And so right now, this time of year, everyone's slowing down. It's Thanksgiving, it's the holidays, Christmas is coming up, all the holidays are coming up. This is the time when everyone gets distracted and slows down. So the best thing you can do right now with your business is hit the gas and go. And when everyone else is on the sidelines, slowing down, thinking they're going to make their goals on New Year's Eve or whatever it is, start making your goals now. Start taking action now and be the one of the 1% that is getting out there and taking action. Because, guys, massive action, that's what's going to change your business. And so real quick on this episode, guys, I just wanted to point out, I've had so many great calls with you guys. We do strategy calls. If you guys haven't watched the masterclass, you can watch the masterclass, profitcleaners.com/masterclass, and book a call. We do strategy calls with our students. So I just wanted to real quick dive into a few of the issues that a lot of you guys are having that we talk about on these calls. And I just wanted to reflect some of those back to you and just share with you how to overcome those and how you guys can keep going. And what are the things you can take massive action on when everyone else is slowing down? What are the things you can take action on and really hit the gas and keep going with? So let's dive into a few of those things, guys. So on those calls, guys, a lot of you have the same issues. We all have the same issues growing our business. Again, this is why we have a mastermind, because we all get better together. We all share what's winning, what's working. But before we get to that point, obviously, we got to grow our businesses. We got to change some things. So the very first and foremost thing, you guys should have a goal, right? And have a goal, something that you want to change your life, a deeper reason why than just a number goal. A number goal is great, but more importantly, like, what's driving you forward, what's going to get you and push you through all the hard stuff. And that should be something that is more exciting than just a number goal. If it's time with your family, if it's having a freedom, if it's having a lifestyle, being able to take a trip with the family, take a trip with the wife, do something extraordinary. What are those things that are driving you, right? Remember your big reason why. That's super, super important, guys, because when you have a big enough reason why, the how takes care of itself. And so obviously you got to have knowledge to know what to do to take action, but that's a big part of it, is having your why. So make sure you guys have your why in place as you guys are taking action and starting to hit the gas and not slow down this year when everyone else is. And just diving into that, guys, some of the things that really a lot of us struggle with are having the knowledge, right? That's one of the biggest things I hear you guys say on these strategy calls is, I don't know what to do next, right? So you're procrastinating, you're not taking the action because you're not sure what to do next. So even more reason to invest in knowledge, invest in yourself, Guys, having that short term, like that delayed gratification, that's what it's all about. Because if you're in business, the results are going to take time. It's going to take time for you guys to develop your business, to grow a true brand. It's not overnight success. And I think a lot of us, this actually points us to another issue. A lot of us are still cleaning, and we got to get out of the cleaning and actually work on our business instead of working in our business. And part of the thing that stops us is that instant gratification. So guys, the more long-term thinking you can create, the more vision for years out into the future you can create, and not wanting to get that instant cash flow, that instant, hit, because that's part of the reason a lot of us are still cleaning, is because we still need to pay the bills. But the more you can have that delayed gratification, start thinking about building a team, maybe paying yourself a little bit less, but building the overall bigger vision of something that can pay you a lot more, 5 or 10 times more in the future, just by some delayed gratification. That's what it's all about, guys. So just remember that once you have your reason why, the next thing you should do is start delegating, start building your team, start getting out of the cleaning, working on the business, and that's what's going to truly drive you guys forward. Some of the biggest things that I would recommend that you guys take action on is number one priority is focus on your product, focus on your systems, focus on training your teams and optimizing your system so your clean and your process for your cleans is duplicatable, and it's something that anybody can duplicate across your teams. They can come in, take your system, duplicate it, and deliver the same results, and it should be consistent and high quality across all your clients. So if you guys don't already have a training system, if it's still in your head, model something that's working, work with us, take our system, model it, take it and adopt it into your business. That's the fastest way to do this in business, is to model instead of reinventing the wheel, spending many, many years trying to make the same mistakes yourself. And this is what I talk about on our strategy calls, guys. And there's a quote that I always share, which is by Tony Robbins. And he says, if you want success, if you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do, and you'll achieve the same results and essentially shave 10 years off your life. So that's what it's all about, guys. It's not about working harder. It's about being more effective. It's about compressing time. And if you model what other people are doing, model what's working. This is exactly what we did in the beginning when we had no idea what we were doing with cleaning. We jumped off with the knowledge of someone who had been in business 20 plus years already, who had figured out the systems, figured out the rotations, the efficiencies, the way to consistently deliver that high quality clean. So number one, guys, focus on your service, focus on that dialing in that service and that process so that you guys can be effective and duplicate that process. Outside of that, focus on your customer experience. When you do the things that are inefficient, when you do the things that are hard, that people are going to say, wow, I can't believe you did this. Those are the things that people talk about. Okay. And so your customer experience is very nuanced. It's not black and white. It's not just like do this and you set it and forget it. It's actually something that you get to be very creative with. You get to create, and you get to create these customer experiences. It could be picking up the phone. It could be a handwritten card. It could be doing something that someone didn't expect that makes their day. But this is where you guys get to have a lot of fun and creating these customer experiences. This is where, if you do this right and you spend time, one customer at a time, creating an amazing experience, creating an amazing testimonial, each one of those customers turns into 5 new customers because they go and tell other people, and your marketing becomes less important. How do I market? How do I get new customers? You don't have to worry about that because your customers are going to do the marketing for you, and you create your own affiliate marketing army of people that are so fanatical about your services because they can't believe that you're over delivering every single time. They're compelled to go tell other people about you. So this is the best marketing you guys could do. Again, when you're focused on delivering a great product and a great experience, these are the things that are going to come back from it. Obviously, having a great marketing system and brand is going to help you pour gas on the fire and go even faster and scale even faster. But you don't want to do that until you've really dialed in your process and your experience. So some high level tips I wanted to share with you guys. A lot of you guys are also experiencing issues with hiring, building your teams. Again, a lot of this comes down to delegating and getting out of your own way and giving up control, guys. The sooner you give up control and believe other people can do the job for you, this is how you're going to build a business. This is how you're going to build a team. Your job as a leader is to get the right people in the right seats on the bus. This comes from a great book by Jim Collins, Good to Great. Go read it. But get the right people in the right seats. That's your job. Your job is to continually share that vision with your team, share with them where you're going. By you putting that vision in place, constantly reminding them, and then constantly investing in new knowledge, new systems, new structure in your business, this is what's going to attract the A players. And this is what's going to build loyalty with your A players. And not only that, it's going to attract even better customers. And those people are going to be more loyal because they're going to feel the same experience and the same vision that you're instilling into your business and your team. And it's the culture, right? And so this is the culture that you're building. So the sooner you guys delegate, the sooner you build those teams, the sooner you let go of control, and the sooner you put the structure in place. The structure, all the things we talk about, having structure in your business for training, for hiring, for the marketing, for the branding, for the finances, for the ongoing growth of your business as you scale, all that structure is going to help you guys stay operating at the speed of excellence, so you can go faster without the wheels flying off. And if you've been stagnant for a while, if you've been spinning your wheels, going the same pace and you haven't grown a lot, it's probably because you're not building structure. You're not continuing to grow. If you're losing employees, you can't keep people around, you can't keep customers, you can't get new ones to come on after those one-time cleans. It's because you're not building something exciting enough that people want to be a part of. So you need to put more into what you're doing, more structure in your business, more of that vision of where you're going, so people want to be part of it. And more importantly, guys, you probably just need to take massive action. So the fear, the anxiety, all of the doubt that's stopping you and getting in your way, the faster you move towards that fear, you're going to realize there's nothing to be fearful about at all. It's actually, the sooner you hire people, the sooner you put these systems in place, the sooner you get a training system in place, the sooner you're going to set yourself free, and you're going to look back and say, wow, that was so easy. I don't know why I was delaying. And so just get out of your own way. Procrastination, guys, is only coming from you saying, I don't know what to do next. So plug into knowledge, plug into this community. That's why we're putting this together. This is why we do this, guys, is so that you guys have the knowledge. It's going to bring you the confidence and the clarity to take massive action, to be focused, laser focused on what you need to do next. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. This is what we talk about on our calls. And these are, again, guys, a lot of the things that you guys struggle with. So I just want to share with you guys, this is all possible. This is exactly where we were many, many years ago when we started our cleaning business. We were wondering how to do this stuff. We were trying to figure it out. Yes, you'll figure it out as you go. You'll make some mistakes. You'll learn some lessons. But if you can shortcut that path and you can compress that time, your time is your most valuable asset. Just like you're delivering happiness and giving people their time back with the cleaning, you've got to do the same thing with yourself and your business. And when you're living those values, when you're actually getting your time back, which is why we build this business. And it makes me think about this time of year, because this is the time of year when we can spend more time with family, hopefully, right? And you can reflect and actually be grateful for all those times, all that time, extra time you have. But this is why we build businesses, guys, so that we can have not just a legacy and have money, but also have a legacy of remarkable memories and experiences and the time that you'll never get back. So instead of wasting time trying to figure it out and trying to do it on your own, stop doing that, guys, and just let go, delegate those things, invest in yourself, and model what's working. Like we talked about earlier, model that success, compress that time, and you guys will be saving five years off your life, of doing this. Sorry, my dogs are barking over in the background here because it's Thanksgiving and there's a turkey coming. But anyways, guys, I'm going to shorten this episode and get right to the point. So if you guys want to work with us and you want to compress time and you want to save yourself, spinning your wheels, staying stagnant, and you want to surround yourself with other people that are winning, this is how you do it, guys. So I'm going to give you guys the offer because I know you guys have been waiting for it for a while. So go ahead and head over to profitcleaners.com/keepitclean. And you're going to get access to the best deal that we've offered literally ever on the program, on the coaching. This is the last time ever, guys, that we're going to offer lifetime access to the live coaching. We have live weekly coaching every single week, and we have a mastermind community that you can plug into from cleaning business owners all around the world that are doubling down on this knowledge to grow and to win with their business. So get access, guys. This is the last time we'll have lifetime access to the coaching, to the community. So get it now. It's also the best deal we've run ever on the program. So I know it's going to make you wealthy. I know it's going to change your life. When you take the right action, it's going to help you guys win, and it's going to help you guys get that clarity and that focus. So anyways, guys, this is the rest of the podcast. Thank you guys for being here today. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, and spend some time with your family, spend some time with people that you love. Remember, the more that you put these systems, the structure in place in your business, the more time you're going to have to be able to spend making remarkable memories, creating amazing experiences, and do the life-changing stuff that you'll never forget. So that's why we build these businesses. Guys, head over to profitcleaners.com/keepitclean. Join the amazing number of people that are changing their businesses and just changing their life and taking action. And I'm excited for you guys. So thank you guys for the opportunity. Thank you for all the things that you guys teach us in this mastermind, because we're all winning, we're all learning together. So I just want to reach out and just say thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being part of this journey. And we're just so excited to keep growing with you on this journey. So happy Thanksgiving, guys, and keep it clean.
Thanks for joining us today. To get more info, including show notes, updates, trainings, and super cool free stuff, head over to profitcleaners.com. And remember, keep it clean.